Take the next right onto Forest Route 6S13, Thomas Mountain Road. Continue for 7 miles.
K6ARK 5555, over.
Roger, roger, you're 55 also, 55 also, into San Diego. November 2, Zulu, Papa. Alpha Golf 6, Zulu Romeo, you're 5.
Okay, K6ARK, copy that, and to San Diego. You said 55, we got a lot of contesting going on.
Roger, roger, summit to summit on Whiskey 6, Sierra Charlie 366, Whiskey 6, Sierra Charlie 366, QSL. DM14EC in Upland.
You say Whiskey 6, Charlie, Charlie, what? Come back?
Whiskey 6, Sierra Charlie 366, Sierra Charlie 366.
Okay, copy, Whiskey 6, Sierra Charlie 366.
73, roger, roger, roger.
Okay, roger, roger, good contact, K6ARK 73 W6RIP. Into ZIP, W6RIP, summit to summit. Yeah, roger, 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 W6RIP on Thomas Mountain, summit to summit. Okay, roger, roger, you're 5555, over. Okay, got a kind of a pile up. I got a Kilo Golf 6. Come back again real quick.
Kilo Golf 6, Lima, India. Can you give me one more shout if you're anywhere near that?
Okay, Kilo Golf 6, Lima, India. You're 5959, over.
59 in Temecula, my friend. Good to hear you.
All right, thanks, brother. You too. We'll catch you later. W6RIP. Thank you for the contact. Is that a Kilo Mike 6 Echo Hotel Alpha?
That's correct. Rick in Cathedral City, I copy you. Go ahead.
And I got an Alpha Golf 6 calling. Come back again. Okay, Alpha Golf 6 Zulu Romeo. You're a 5959 on Thomas Mountain.
57 in Upland. Good luck.
Okay, roger, the 57 in Upland. Thank you for the contact. 73.
Charlie 7, Alpha Papa.
Is that an Alpha Charlie 7?
AC7AP.
Okay, AC7AP, Alpha Charlie 7, Alpha Papa. You're a 5959 on Thomas Mountain.
You're 58 here in DNDO. And good luck up there.
Got my activation, so I can go hike back to the truck and go get my stuff and play God up here with the GP6 on 50 watts. Real sick. I hope the wind, I'm pretty sure the wind noise is ridiculous in this, but whatever. I need little dead cats for this guy. Alright, W6RIP. We are Thomas Mountain doing winter field day. Already did the soda activation. I got that on another video. So just trying to do a little vlog right now. Winter field day vlog for the video. Just testing stuff out, having fun. So I don't know if we can pick that up, but it's probably way too much light, but I can see the ocean and the sun is just beaming off the ocean. Hoping it clears up a little bit more, but yeah, it's pretty nice. So here's what we got for the winter field day setup. 991 tuner, battery, KX2, and running the wire over there. Got some guys that hiked up and hanging out, having some fun. So hopefully this turns out pretty good.
Winter field day.
Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa.
Ending in Papa, ending in Papa.
Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa.
Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa. Please copy 1 Hotel Sugar Foxtrot.
Roger, roger, please copy 1 Oscar, Sierra Bravo.
Thanks for the Sierra Bravo. QSL, AJ6FK. 5 Oscar, Arizona, read QSL.
Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa.
Whiskey 6, rest in peace. This is November Yankee 7 Sierra. Please copy 5 Oscar, Arizona.
Roger, roger. I am 1 Oscar, San Bernardino, 1 Oscar, Sierra Bravo.
QSL, 73.
Roger, roger, 7-3.
Number 6, Foxtrot, Romeo, X-ray. Please
I don't know if you
copy
can see
5
me.
Oscar, Arizona.
I can do like this. Alright, so eating the Denny Moore beef stew. Dinner for tonight.
And your
It's like
section?
7:30. I'm in blind now. So, anyways,
QSL.
good stuff. Ah. Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa. Here it is. Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa. Romeo, India, Papa. Romeo, India, Papa.
Whiskey 6, rest in peace. Thank you. 1 Oscar, Nevada.
Roger, roger. I am 1 Oscar San Bernardino. 1 Oscar San Bernardino. Sierra Bravo. Sierra Bravo.
Whiskey 4, Sierra, Hotel Lima. Whiskey 4, Sierra, Hotel Lima.
Whiskey 6, Romeo, India, Papa.
Station ending in Romeo, India, Papa. Please call again.
Whiskey 6, rest in peace. Whiskey 6, rest in peace.
Whiskey 6, RIP. Please copy 2 Hotel Alabama. Need your...
Alabama. Roger, roger. I am 1 Oscar San Bernardino. 1 Oscar Sierra Bravo.
Copy 1 Oscar Sierra Bravo. Thanks for the QSL. 7-3. Whiskey 4 Sierra Hotel Lima. Whiskey 4 Sierra Hotel Lima.
Real sweet. Real sweet. I'm making some calls on my new 80-meter in-fed and a 9-to-1 random wire, long wire. I'm making contacts. Not bad, but I am running 50 watts, so I don't know what it would be like on the KX2 running 12 watts. That might be the next step. Here now. Heading down Thomas Mountain. Look at that view. Look at that. I love the mountains. Do you love the mountains? I love the mountains. I like being in the mountains. Anyways, here we go. Heading down Thomas Mountain. Stayed the night last night. It was cool. It got pretty cool. Played radio. Got some contacts on the new 80-meter wire, the 22 gauge speaker wire that I made. I don't know if I wasn't able to pull a whole 100 watts out of it because of the antenna or the battery. I pulled 100 watts out of that before with the battery, but I haven't used the battery in a long time, and I had the full voltage. I just wonder if it wasn't getting enough current draw fast enough to power that 100 watts. It's got a continuous 20 amp current draw, but for some reason it seemed like last night my radio was pulling like 23 amps. And normally, if I remember right, last field day, last year, whatever, it's only pulling like 16 amps. So I don't know what that means. Obviously 50 watts on VHF, no problem. Had fun, talking, sounding loud. And yeah, I'm gonna have to test that out at home and see what's going on. And test. I mean, I had no problem pulling out any other wattage out of the, on that wire. And I was able to contact. I don't know. I have to look back at the video, but I got a couple contacts on 40. I got on 80. Local guy Sean heard me, but there's just a lot of noise on 80. So in the way that I had the antenna, I just kind of like made it seem like I was on a summit, and I was just laying it across some trees and stuff. Just wanted to see. But all in all, pretty successful. I slept in the back of the truck because why not? I got a nice truck and a shell, and I'm protected from the elements. I brought my tent and a hammock just in case I felt like doing that. But I just went in the back of the truck. It was warm. Got down into the 30s, and then woke up, made some coffee, some breakfast, and packed up, and I'm heading down. Last night I spent some time taking photos of the stars. First time trying that with my new camera, and it was pretty cool. I'll post the pictures like in sequence of taking them, and then as they got better, the different settings and stuff, and different lengths of exposures. It was kind of neat checking that out and trying to find the right formula for that, the aperture and exposure length, and ISO. It's just like all these different combinations of what's going to turn out to be the best. Obviously I had a lot of ambient light from the city down below, so I had to play with that. If I'm out super dark somewhere, which hopefully the next time I go out and do something, I'm going to go out to the desert or something and just be in complete darkness. It'll be fun. Man, it's getting kind of hairy right in here. Image stabilization's probably pretty good. And see when I close it, it goes like that, and then it goes up and clips. Could be my horrible paranoia. I think it's a little off. Baja mode!